man! Jesus Christ!
I'm sorry.
Please don't. Oh!
I'm sorry, dude.
You're supposed to fucking sneeze in your elbow!
Wait, I have
Jesus
allergies.
Christ, man! Don't do it again, please don't.
It's okay. It's okay. I think it's over.
Just, if you do it again, sneeze into your elbow.
Okay.
Everyone in the world sneezes into their elbow.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll do it in my elbow next time.
Okay. Oh my fucking god.
Oh, dude! You didn't tell me I'll get my arm that wet.
Well, no one fucking sneezes as much snot as you sneeze, Christian.
What's that supposed to mean?
You have a fucking wet nose. I don't know what to say. Like, look at me.
I have a wet nose?
It's disgusting. No. I'm not fucking arm wrestling you anymore, dude. Jesus Christ, man. Like, this is fucking nasty.
I'm sorry.
This is fucking nasty, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Ian, I'm sorry. Hey, look me in my eyes.
I don't want to.
Ian, my eyes, look me in them. Have I ever told you about the $1,900 vase?
You haven't.
Well, I'm telling you about it now.
You haven't told me. Don't kiss me. Don't kiss me again.